Hi guys, welcome back to this perfect mess. It's Shiro again, and I am back with another video. Today we are in the bathroom. As you can see, this is where I do all the makeup and stuff before we set up somewhere else. But I think I'll be keeping this place because it has the mirror, so I think I'll be keeping this place as my dressing table. So when I come from the shower, I just do my stuff and leave. So anyways, so today I'm going to be showing you how I created the hair look on Vlogmas day one, if you saw it, and that's what I'm doing today in the bathroom. So I'm going to start off with my hair. I washed my hair yesterday night, or the day before yesterday, I can't remember when night, one of those nights, and I usually thread it because, as you can see guys, my hair, I'm on a journey to regrow my edges. It took me so long to realize that my hair is weak and it doesn't need as much manipulation as other people would do. So I used to blow dry it, I used to use all sorts of heat. So now this is like my 4th year without using heat, and also the second year of treating my hair constantly and not doing braids, like the normal braids. I usually nowadays, if I have to braid my hair, I have to do the single crocheted braids so that they are more protective to my hair. So with that said, I don't heat my hair. That's all I'm trying to say. So I don't blow dry. I use African threading to straighten it out, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm going to undo them right here. So remove the threads. I'll be putting them here. So here you go guys, I have my hair all undone, and when I comb it, it's straightened, as you can see. My hair is not dry. I put leave-in treatment when I was twisting those things. I put leave-in treatment and oil, so that's why it's easy to comb it. Otherwise my hair is not this easy to comb. So there you have it. You can see my hair is all grown here, but my hairline still tells you it has more work to be done. That's why I'm really avoiding stressing it. So I have my hair over here, and what I'm going to do is use gel. You guys, I like Eco Styler. This is what I have, and this is what I've been using. As you can see, it's almost out, but then I went to the store and I found this. Yeah, I know. I found almost a kg of this Wonder Grow Argan Oil Styling Gel. I haven't used it on my dry hair, so I want to use it and see how it goes. I hope we're not going to get the disappointment of our lives here. So that's what I'll be using today, and I'm trying to look for my rubber bands. So you guys, this is what I'll be using. As I said, I bought it from a store that I go to, so it smells nice. So I want to see. I haven't tried it honestly, so I want to give it a try and see. So I'll section my hair in the middle, and this is the part where I have to get it right. I'll section my hair. I have this small comb that can help me do that. So it's just the front part, because the back part I'll just make it into one small band. So let's see, you'll see. So I'm going to comb the back part like this, and I'm going to comb the front to make sure I lay it down. Like so. So I have my hair, and I'm going to go in with the gel. hold, so I'm going to go in with the gel. And I like to be generous with my gel so that my hair can lay down well. I don't want to have gel and look like I didn't want to apply it, so I like to be generous with it so that my hair can really hold well. And I'm really curious to see how this gel works. To go in with this brush. I like this brush. It's supposed to be my wig comb, but it also helps me comb my natural hair like so, because it's so soft, so it won't like hurt my hair, so I love it. See that? Now I have this shoe brush. Ooh, it's supposed to be a shoe brush, but I bought it for my hair, this one, and I use it to just smoothen out everything. See how it does that? And I'll use it for my edges as well, which I'm going to show you in a minute how I'm going to do those edges. I'm going to just pull them out at this point. I'm going to pull them out and then I'll style the rest of the hair. Oh, pulled a lot. So my edges are out. I'm going to do them later. Go back with a brush. This one is just the best. It combs my hair so well. So I think this gel is working so far. So this is what I have. And I'm going to make a ponytail. Don't take it too back and don't put it at the center because it's a low puff, so low bun. So I'm going to take a rubber band and tie my hair like so, and I'm going to cover it and give it some time to dry. So I'm going to do my edges so that it can dark woman's struggle. You guys, I'm going to cover my head with a headscarf and then I'll be back. I have this headscarf that I'm going to use to tie. There's no design to it, it's just tying to dry up the gel. And you can do overnight, but for me overnight doesn't work. I don't want to sleep with wet hair, so I like to do it before I do my makeup for like 20 minutes, and that should be enough for me. So that's what works for me. So I'll just tie it like so, and I'll let it sit for like 20 minutes, and then I'll show you guys when I'll be done. Done. See you in a bit. So guys, I just did my simple makeup and it's been like 30 minutes. So I'm going to undo the headscarf and add the extensions. That's how my hair looks like. So you can see the scarf just makes it better. I'm going to blend my forehead a little bit because I did my makeup with the headscarf, but that's not the thing for today. So I'm using this here. They call it yessss. It's the one that's used to make butterfly locks, like the ones I had a while ago. I'm going to show you, but this is the hair. You can see the pack, and it comes. I'm going to unpack it with you. I bought it for like 400 shillings, so I'm going to undo it. I had some left when I did my butterfly locks. That's what I was using last week when I had that hairstyle. But I just want to make that extension bigger and fuller, so that's why I bought this extra pack. And it comes looking something like this. That's one pack. So depending on how big you want your curls to be or your extension, you're going to add this here. So I'm going to add just 2. I had some left when I was doing Vlogmas day 1. This is what I had left when I did my butterfly lock, so I used just this when I was doing Vlogmas day 1, but today I just want to make a bigger extension, so I'm going to add just 2 of these, this one and this one. I'm going to add it to that extension to make it fuller. So I have my first strands here of what I want to add, and so you see how it looks like. So you can just try to undo it like this to make it bigger if you want, but I already have more hair, so I want to make it fuller and with those curls. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going to hold it the way it came in the back like this, and I'm going to add, this is the same hair, so like this. See what I'm talking about? So I'll have this huge puffy extension, and how I'm going to do it in the middle here, I'm going to use a rubber band this way, and you cross it here like so, and then you let this one come here like so, so that you remain with one. You remain with your rubber band here. That's the extension I'm going to be adding to my band over here. I want to close this drawer so that I can fit here. So yeah, so this is what I have, you guys, and I'm going to attach it to my natural hair like so. The normal way you tie your headband, your head wrap, not head wrap, sorry, the normal way you tie your hair, so that rubber band, you're going to attach it that way, and you can fasten it 2 times to just make it safe and to make sure that it's not being seen. I'm just going to turn it like so. Like so. You can use a pin to fasten it if you feel like it's not secure enough, but I think mine is secure. I don't really need those pins. So that's how my extension looks like, you guys. So and because I did my makeup with the headscarf, I'm just going to touch my forehead with this makeup brush to make it even, to remove that headscarf line. So just tap it. And that's the final look, you guys. You can wear this hair to a wedding, you can wear it to a shower, you can wear it to church if you want, you can wear it to a date. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned how to do this simple natural hairstyle, and I'll see you in the next video. See you tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. This is the sharing one. Make sure you share with someone that needs a protective hairstyle. And I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place for Vlogmas. Bye.